If you want to import all the contacts which are saved on your SIM card to your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will share with you an easy method on how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Contacts app, then tap on it. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of Import SIM Contacts. Now if your iPhone started loading directly after tapping on this option, you will import your contacts directly on your iPhone. But if it shows you this menu, just select On My iPhone if the option is available. But as you can see, the option of On My iPhone is not available. So just select iCloud. After you select iCloud, you will import all the contacts from your SIM card to your iCloud account. Now after you do that, then go back to the main settings page, and from here just tap on the name of your Apple account. Then tap on iCloud. Then in front of Saved to iCloud, just tap on See All. And from this list, just look for the Contacts app. Now if this toggle is disabled, just enable this toggle to sync all the contacts which are saved on your iCloud to your iPhone. Tap on Merge. And by doing that, you will import all the contacts which are saved on your SIM card to your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.